In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about this puppy paw balm that I purchased from Amazon. It is to help protect your dog's paws if they refuse to wear booties from things like hot pavement, if it's really cold outside, and even if you're going on a hike. I'm going to talk to you guys about the price and the ingredients and if this product actually even worked. So right now we're going through one of the coldest winters in December that I have seen in a really long time. It's currently minus 36 degrees Celsius outside. I'll pop that up in Fahrenheit for my American friends over here. My dog, he just refuses to wear booties. If I put him in booties, I literally have to drag him through the snow. Like, he will not walk in those booties, and of course I'm not gonna drag my dog through the snow. So I went to look for another alternative, and I found this thing over here. Honestly, I wasn't sure how well this is gonna do, but I felt really bad for my dog because we're at the point right now where he'll take literally 10 steps and he starts doing the thing where he's rotating which 3 feet he's walking on at any given time, and I just don't want to see my dog in that kind of pain. And the other negative thing with that is, like, he's such a good boy. He'll never poo or pee in the house, but because he can't take any more than like 10 steps without basically giving up, he just wants to come back in the house, and then he just holds it in. So I've been having to take him out every 2 hours or so until he finally goes. There's been times recently where he hasn't gone in like over 24 hours, so that really worried me. And then I found this, and I'll be honest, I was really skeptical. I wasn't sure how well it was going to work. I'm not going to claim that it's some miracle thing and you're going to go for a 3-hour walk in minus 36 and your dog's going to be just fine. I'm going to tell you exactly what the experience was. And what I found was, so prior to using this, we were walking at most half a block before he was like just done, and I had to basically pick him up. Now using this puppy balm, just putting it on his paws and the sides of his paws, we've been walking like almost a full block there and back before he starts visibly complaining about how cold it is on his paws. Also, I just want to show you guys a quick clip here of us walking down the street. We're gonna speed it up here a little bit. Normally, by the time we get to about this point here, he's already doing the lifting leg thing. I'm not gonna record another clip where I don't put the paw balm on him because I'm just not gonna torture my dog just to prove a point to you guys. Just know that I'm telling the truth. You can tell just by the way that I talk about my dog that I care about him. I wouldn't suggest the product to you guys if it doesn't work, especially for something like a dog who is basically a part of your family. So it really does make a difference. Again, it's not a miracle thing. You're not gonna go for really long walks, but it gets the job done. And because of that, now he is pooping on a more regular basis, which is really important to me. Like, I want to make sure that he's not holding it in unnecessarily just because it's cold outside. So if you have a smaller dog or even a larger dog and they just refuse to wear booties in the cold and it's affecting them in many different ways, then definitely try considering purchasing this. You can actually buy this on Amazon. I'm going to toss a link in the description below for you guys. Now, Amazon doesn't really let me talk about price, but just know it's in that like 20 to 30 Canadian dollar range, and it's of course subject to change. Another thing that I like about this product is that it's completely biodegradable. This thing is actually made out of a biodegradable paper, and then the balm is actually made of all natural ingredients, which is vitamin E, shea butter, candela wax, coconut oil, and olive oil. And it's actually safe for your dog to lick, so if your dog ingests this, they're not going to get sick. I did see that some other products similar to this have tea tree oil in it, and if you don't know this, tea tree oil is actually really, really bad for your dogs. Your dogs can get really sick and maybe even die if they were to lick their paws with tea tree oil, so I'm sure those companies aren't going to be in business very much longer. To apply it's really easy. You basically apply it just like a lip balm, except onto your dog's paws. So really this thing just opens up and then you just push on the bottom over here like that. This product is actually made in Canada, so you know they're gonna do a good job at making a product that's gonna be good for our cold winters. If you have any friends that have dogs with similar issues, I encourage you to please, especially if they refuse to wear booties, please, please, please share this video with their friends so they can go out and purchase this. It's gonna really better the life of your pet. They're just gonna be so much happier, and maybe we'll have some more bowel movements. Wow, what a weird thing to say. Well, anyways, if you like these kind of short to the point reviews on things I buy and try, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. What do you say, boy, huh? Do you like your new paw balm? Do you like your new paw balm, buddy boy? You're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Oh, you want your belly rubs? You want your belly rubs? You want your belly rubs? Okay. Oh no, you want to lick your schmeckle. Okay. That's cool too. See you guys.
Perfect.